Have you ever felt like giving up? Because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time, the stars just won't align. Have you ever had a broken heart?
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves in today's video, you're spending a day in my life, and I have an outing. Like, a friend of mine, like, she has been a very long old time friend for like 12 years now. Okay, she came into town and I'm going to take you guys along. Like, I have not seen her since our our university days. Yeah, so she came into town and she called me that we should hook up. So I am going to take you guys along. So right here, I want to change our bed spread. It's a Monday. Okay, so I want to change it. And if you remember my previous video where I took the beddings to the laundry, they just brought it this Monday morning. So I want to change it and put a new one, a new sheet. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. All right, besties, so enjoy the rest of the
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my lungs. Oh, you make me feel so strong. 'Cause you're always on my mind. Oh, please say you'll be mine. 'Cause when you look into my eyes, oh, everything alright. You got that certain kind of love. You got that grooving kind of love. The kind that makes you crazy. Makes me wanna call you baby.
Give me. Name ya. Move now.
You make me think about you.
Give me back.
The way you tease. Man, I'm so weak in my knees. 'Cause you're always on my mind. I'm so grateful that you're mine. Don't make me dim my light. But with you I shine so bright. You got that certain kind of love.
I'm not giving you.
You got that grooving kind of love. The kind that makes you crazy. Makes me
I
wanna
want to watch.
You're listening to the sounds and sonics of the magical world of Black Girlhood, W9496, where the vibe is high and the spirit stays divine. Stay cool out there, y'all, and we'll catch you next time.
You got that certain kind of love. You got that grooving kind of.
So I'm done cleaning my room. So this is Madam's room. I'm also going to tidy this up as well. I did that off camera. And I went to the living room. The rug is dirty. I need to take it for them to go and wash. So I will take this out for them to wash it because it's really dirty. Like, there's a lot of food and the rest. So this is made outside for them to wash.
The kind that makes you crazy. Makes me wanna call you
So guys, I'm done with my morning routine and the rest. So this is me and baby girl. I am heading to my friend's hotel where she lodged. Okay, so I'll take you guys along. I don't know what we're going to be doing, but I shall take you guys along. So come along with us, come and gist and have fun.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So if I said or did something that hurt you.
Wow, it's so nice to see you.
Like after how many years?
How many years?
Last time we saw was school.
Yes.
Writing an exam, 100 level.
Yeah.
Like we have been doing phone. Oh, my friend, okay. For how many years now? Like we need to count it though.
Yes,
We need to count it. It's been a long time. So this had two beautiful princess. Say hi. Oh, you love the camera. Oh, that's so cute. Mwah.
Yeah, like
Hi.
like this.
Miyush.
Just like this.
She came to visit and she just came small visit too. She's going. So I ran here. They want to go out. So take you guys along, okay? So come along with us.
Tell them you now have triplets.
See my 3 babies, so see my 3 babies. No, I'll send you the video, okay?
Okay.
I won't make it long so I can have it.
I'm sorry, you know I never meant to. We haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels like
So bestie, this is her 2 cute princesses, like they are twins. We stopped at ShopRite. We just tour around ShopRite because she's not staying long, so we only had that Monday to hang around, and the next day she's going back. So yeah, we came to get a few things here, and we went a little bit shopping for the kids, just spoil them a bit. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a small video, guys. It's a small vlog. Enjoy this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So we came here to get some clothes for her daughters because they need to get jackets. So we're just looking for jacket and clothes, and I think I got clothes as well for madam. Yeah, we just enjoyed ourselves. Then after this, and we went to have lunch. Yes, baby. What is it? Yeah, baby's clothes. This is 0 to 3 months. Yeah, can you wear the slipper? You have to find a small. No, see smaller leg. Look up. Good evening. We want to order soup. What was it? No chicken, right? Okay. For I think the kids just eat only margarita for the kids. You don't eat chicken. This is chicken soup. They have this soup. This one. Okay, we'll have one of these. Then one of margarita. I will wait with you. I meant to go for small shopping. I wanted to do.
What happened to your leg now? I think you go and buy it. When they don't do this pizza from capital in that time. So what is the for you?
Nah, meat, beef. This one is normal margarita. Cheese. Baby, look.
Rihanna, so cheese.
Let me add that inside. I think she will soon sleep.
Yeah, she was.
Oh, she's sleeping. Yeah. So, loves, I'm done with my friend. I came to buy some cheese. I want to do pizza for this my small madam. She has been really asking for pizza. Like right now, Mia is in a stage whereby she's outspoken. When she wants something, she like disturbs me for that and she should eat. So she have been asking for pizza and I want to make pizza for her. So this is what I came to get after I was done hanging out with my friend. Oh guys, my face is oily. I just got back and it was nice seeing my friend. Like 12 years. Like we met in school when we were in university. That's when we met when we were in university. And I was in I think 100 level. Yeah, 100 level. That's when I met her. And we've been friends till now. This is our after that time we met in school, we've not seen each other. Like she relocated, came back, like there's been a lot. And this is our first time meeting after 12 years. And we have kids. And we are married. Oh, I had a lovely time. We had like one day cannot on or is it cannot it's not enough for our catch up. But we just had to manage in one day like that because she only have few like only 2 days safe in Abuja. She's going back tomorrow. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts, and I'll see you all my besties in my next one. Yeah, baby. Bye, darlings.
How will I know?